In this video, I'll show you how to connect vidIQ to Claude using MCP. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to use vidIQ's features directly inside Claude to make your YouTube workflow faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for vidIQ. Open the official vidIQ website. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In. I'll continue using Sign In with Google, but you can use whichever method you prefer. After signing in, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Account. Now go to Account Settings. From the Settings menu, find and open the MCP section. This is where vidIQ allows external AI tools like Claude to securely access its features through a connector. Here, click Generate New Key. When it asks for a name, enter Claude. You can use any name you like, but using Claude makes it much easier to recognize later if you create multiple connectors. Now click the Generate button. Once the key has been created, scroll down until you see the MCP server URL. This URL is the bridge between vidIQ and Claude, so go ahead and copy it. We'll use it in the next step. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Claude. Inside Claude, click Customize. Next, open the Connector section. Click Add Custom Connector. For the connector name, enter vidIQ. Then paste the MCP server URL that you copied from the vidIQ website. Now click Connect. Claude will now ask you to authorize the connection. Simply complete the authorization process and click Allow for the requested permissions. These permissions allow Claude to securely communicate with your vidIQ account whenever you use the connector. After a few seconds, the connector will be added successfully. And that's it. Your vidIQ MCP server is now connected to Claude. From this point on, you can simply write prompts inside Claude, and it will use your vidIQ connector automatically whenever it's needed. For example, you can ask Claude to generate SEO-friendly titles, find high-potential keywords, suggest video ideas, improve descriptions, create better tags, or even analyze your content using vidIQ's data, all without leaving the Claude interface. This makes your workflow much smoother because you no longer have to switch back and forth between different websites. Everything happens in one place, saving both time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.